200 years ago, photography was born. For the first time, we could see new people and new worlds. We could be part of human history and glimpse into the future. When we first held our own cameras, we could capture life and memories in a new way. We became spontaneous. We could find moments like never before. Then, the world changed. Photography became a daily part of our lives. We started taking more and more pictures, millions every minute. Photos became our global language. They crossed borders and cultures and brought people home when they couldn't be there. Everyone became a photographer, a storyteller, creating visual records of their worlds. And now we are reinventing photography again to help us see our worlds more clearly. We are making photographs living memories, helping people find things they've never seen before. The way we share our stories has already changed. Today, the way we capture a moment is about to change. Because every moment deserves a better picture, and every great picture tells a better story.